If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you can use the Mi Mover app, which is already installed on your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro. Of course, this means that you have to download the exact same app on your iPhone, but it is pretty easy to find. You just have to simply go to search, then you can type Mi Mover, and you should be able to find the app. Now, in my case, for some reason the name is not translated, so it has this Chinese name, but this is exactly the app that we are looking for. So let's open it on both devices. Now over here on iPhone we want to select that this is the old phone, and then on Xiaomi we want to select that this is the new one. Choose Apple, of course, and then we will get this QR code that we need to scan with our iPhone. So let's do that and confirm your choice that you want to join. Of course, there are certain permissions that you will have to grant to be able to make that transfer happen, so be sure to do that. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to connect both devices together, and then you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. Keep in mind that not everything can be transferred from iPhone to an Android. Like, for example, apps. You cannot really transfer apps simply because apps on iPhone are built in a different way than on Android. So you cannot really transfer them. You have to manually download them on your Xiaomi by using the Play Store. But other than that, we can just choose whatever we want to transfer, and then once you select everything that you want to transfer, you can just tap on the transfer button. And you don't want to really close this app. You want to stay in here until the transfer is done. And there we go. Once it is done, you can just tap on the done button, and that is pretty much it. So leave a like and subscribe.